The front-facing camera on the iPhone 14 allows you to take selfies, conduct FaceTime video calls, and use facial recognition to unlock your phone. If your iPhone 14's front camera stops working, here are some troubleshooting steps you can take. Before we move on, please take a second to like our video, or even share it with your friends who might have issues with their devices. It's a great help for us. Now let's jump right into our tips. Restart your iPhone. Sometimes, the front camera may stop working due to a minor software glitch. Restarting the iPhone can often fix this by clearing the temporary memory and reloading the software. Press and hold the side button and either of the volume buttons. Keep holding the buttons until you see the power off slider. Drag the slider to turn off your iPhone. After a few seconds, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Check for obstructions. Make sure there is nothing physically blocking the front camera or its sensors. Look for dirt, smudges, stickers, or any other debris that could be obstructing the camera. Carefully clean the camera area with a soft, lint-free cloth. Also, inspect the camera lens and sensors for damage. Update iOS software. It is important to update your iOS software to fix the problem with the front camera, because the update may contain a fix for the issue. Apple regularly releases software updates to fix bugs and improve the performance of their devices. To check for firmware updates on your iPhone 14, open the Settings app. Then, tap on General and then Software Update. If an update is available, it will be listed under Available Updates. Tap on Download and Install to install the update. Use camera in different apps. Using the front camera in different apps can help to troubleshoot a malfunctioning front camera because it can help to isolate the problem. If the front camera works in some apps but not others, it points to an app-specific problem rather than a hardware issue. However, if it doesn't work with other apps as well, then try the next solution. Reset all settings. Resetting all settings can help to fix the problem with the front camera, because it can restore the camera settings to their defaults. This can eliminate any problems caused by customized camera settings. To reset all settings on your iPhone 14, open the Settings app. Then, tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. On the next screen, tap on Reset and select Reset all settings. Enter your passcode and tap on Reset settings. Follow the on-screen instructions until your iPhone reboots. Factory reset your iPhone. A factory reset erases all of the data and settings on your iPhone and restores it to the state it was in when you first bought it. This can help to fix problems that are caused by software glitches or errors. However, it is important to note that a factory reset will also erase all of your data, including photos, videos, contacts, messages, and apps. So, it is important to back up your iPhone before you reset it. To reset your iPhone to factory settings, open the Settings app and tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. On the next screen, tap on Erase all content and settings. Now follow a few on-screen instructions until your iPhone finishes the reset. If the problem with the front camera remains after you have reset your iPhone to factory settings, it is more likely that the problem is with the hardware. In this case, you will need to take your iPhone to an Apple store or repair shop for further assistance. We hope this troubleshooting guide can be helpful. Thanks for watching.